Meaning of evermore.
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 Evermore. Evermore refers to something that lasts forever or for an indefinite period of time. It is often associated with concepts such as eternity, infinity, and permanence. When we use the word evermore, it suggests that something will not fade away or come to an end. It has a sense of timelessness and endurance. This word can be used to describe lasting emotions, like love or grief, as well as physical objects or places that endure through time. In essence, evermore implies an unchanging, enduring quality that transcends the fleeting nature of our world.